Welcome back, and we're continuing the news, and it's now time for the health report. Now, what are the risks associated with medical imaging and radiation? Shamela Pullen tells us more.
The discovery of X-rays and CT scans have transformed the medical landscape. These tools enable healthcare professionals to diagnose and treat a wide range of conditions with accuracy.
Trauma, we scan them with a CT scan to look to see if any of their blood vessels are ruptured, if their bones are broken, if their lungs are punctured. We use radiation in doing the chest X-ray to look at their lungs, and we also use radiation in the CT scan to look at any injuries in the organs. So it's vital, even though it is radiation, it's vital for us to use that radiation to find out what is happening with the patient, because for instance, if they have a liver laceration, we want to know, because they can bleed to death.
But there are risks with the use of X-ray imaging, which uses ionizing radiation. This is a form of radiation that has enough energy to potentially cause damage to DNA. The radiation exposure is higher for younger patients.
Babies and young children, we tend to be more careful with them because they're so small, their cells are still multiplying. Hitting them with radiation at such a young age can, put them at risk for cancer. But that's just not 1 or 2 or 4 or 10 scans. That's a lot of scans. But we try not to use it if we don't have to.
Workers do have to take precautionary measures.
We do something called fluoroscopy. In fluoroscopy, we use basically a big shield lead in front of us to block the rays from coming through to getting to us, the radiologist. Because imagine, we are in the radiology department every day, and if we go into this room and we don't use the shield, we will get cancer. So we use the shield to protect us. But in the general areas, we don't use the shield.
But if you need a medical imaging exam, be sure to discuss with your doctor. Ask about alternative imaging options. And if you have had multiple imaging exams, be sure to share your medical history with your doctor. With our health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.